Hey guys, Matt from Razor Emporium. We are starting a brand new series called Lather Up, the inside scoop behind the operations at Razor Emporium. We hope you guys enjoy seeing some of these behind the scenes things we do, all the different operations, all the things in our shop that you don't see when you're just watching me sit here shaving on the set. Lather Up, get ready for an awesome series coming at you guys. So we're going to be doing American Amber samples. We start today by laying out all of our ingredients. We first start by actually melting all the fats with citric acid. We'll be using shea butter and coconut oil, and these are used for their moisturizing and skin softening benefits. Once the soap is melted, we actually add in the lye, and lye is actually the process of saponification, and it's what turns all these ingredients into an actual hard soap. We mix until it's a mashed potato consistency, and then we add in glycerin, and glycerin is used for slickness so you can get the best quality shave. It also has anti-dryness and inflammation properties. We make sure it's well mixed before adding in our fragrances. Sometimes fragrances are going to use essential oils, sometimes we're going to use parfum oils, sometimes we use a little combination of both. A lot of this has to do with the availability of different scents and also the cost. We make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed before we either pipe or scoop these into their containers. Now these soaps have to actually cure for 12 days before they're ready to be shipped out to you in your next mail call. But when you get it, you should be able to enjoy it, smell it, and know that it was made with quality, it was made with love and passion. Let us know if you liked seeing these kind of behind the scenes videos and what process you want to see next. That's all I got today from Razor Emporium. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time, guys.